Hello, welcome back to Learn Economia. In this video, we are going to look into the national income aggregates. National income, as we all know, it is the income of a nation. There are various methods to calculate national income. There has been income method, expenditure method, and also there is product or hourly method. I'll be doing a separate video describing all these methods. Either these methods would be dealt in a single video, or I'll be doing separate videos on. Three different videos separately on these methods. Three methods are there. That's right. So having said so, let's look into the national income aggregates. There have been several national income aggregates like a gross domestic product at market price, gross domestic product at factor cost, net domestic product at market price, net domestic product at factor cost, net national product at factor price, which is also known as national income, gross national product at factor cost, net national product at market price, and gross national product at market price. We will be looking into each of these aggregates one by one. First is gross domestic product at market price. Here we have to understand the term gross, then domestic product, then market price. And also we have to understand the difference between gross and net, domestic product and national product, then market price and factor cost. These are the main differences which we have to understand. If we could understand the differences, then we can understand any questions or we can understand the correct answer of any questions given for your exam. So first of all, coming to the gross domestic product at market price, which is the value, which is the money value of all the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year. I'll be describing. Here we have the term gross. Gross means that it includes depreciation also. Okay. Since we have domestic product, we take into consideration the goods and services produced by which is produced within the domestic territory of a country. We are actually constructing a border around our nation, and we will be taking into consideration the products which are produced within the domestic territory of a nation. That is why we have taken into consideration the domestic product. Then market price. Market price we have to take into consideration the net indirect taxes. Okay. These are the three things which we have to consider. Okay. So the gross domestic product at market price is equal to net domestic product at factor price plus depreciation. So this is the difference between gross and net. When you have gross, you will have the component depreciation in it. When you have the aspect net, then you deduct depreciation from your gross element. Then what we have is net indirect tax. This is something which makes the market price different from factor cost. In the case of market price, we have net indirect tax, but in the case of factor cost, we do not have net indirect tax. So just understand the difference. Then we have gross domestic product at factor cost. Here the main difference is that earlier we had considered market price, now we have considered factor cost. Earlier we had added net indirect tax, now we have to deduct net indirect tax. So it is the value for all the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country which does not include net indirect tax. See, the component gross is here, domestic is here, and factor cost is here. Since we have gross, we have to include depreciation. Since we have domestic product, we have to take into consideration the domestic territory of a nation. So GDP at FC is equal to GDP at MP minus indirect tax plus subsidy, or it is GDP at MP minus net indirect taxes. Next we have net domestic product at market price. So here we have the element net, right? So since we have net, we have to deduct depreciation. So net domestic product at market price is a money value of all the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year, and this does not include depreciation. You have to remember that whenever you have the concept gross, you should include depreciation, and whenever you have the concept net, you have to deduct depreciation. That's it. So net domestic product at market price is equal to the gross domestic product at market price minus depreciation. That's the only difference. Next we have net domestic product at factor price. Sorry, factor cost. It is the value of all the final goods and services which does not include depreciations. Why it doesn't include depreciation? Because we don't have the element gross here. What we have is net. And also, since we are taking into consideration the factor cost, we do not have the element market price. So we have to deduct net indirect tax, or we can see that it is a value of or it is a sum of all the factor incomes generated in the domestic territory of a country, which is equal to GDP at MP minus depreciation minus indirect tax plus subsidy. Minus indirect tax plus subsidy means your net indirect tax. Next, net national product at factor cost, which is simply your national income, which is this is sum total of all your factor incomes which is earned by the normal residents of a country during an accounting year. This is equal to NDP at FC plus factor income earned by normal residents minus factor incomes paid, or the factor payments you have made. Next, gross national product at factor cost. It is the sum total of factor incomes earned by normal residents of a country along with depreciation during an accounting year. Since we have the element gross, just add depreciation to the net concept. So GNP at FC is equal to NNP at FC plus depreciation. Next, net national product at market price, which is the sum total of all the factor incomes earned by the normal residents of a country during an accounting year, which would take into consideration the indirect taxes as well. I mean the net indirect taxes as well. So NNP at MP is equal to NNP at FC at plus net indirect tax. That means indirect tax minus subsidy. That is your net indirect tax. Since you are taking into consideration MP, not FC, you have to include the net indirect tax. Next is gross national product at market price, which is the sum of the total of your factor incomes which are earned by the normal residents of a country during an accounting year, which will take into consideration depreciation and net indirect tax. So why you are taking into consideration depreciation and net indirect tax? Because you have the concept gross, so you are taking into consideration depreciation, and you have the concept market price, so you are taking into consideration the net indirect tax. So these are the only difference. It is simply very simple. Just understand the difference by using your logic. If you use your logic, then it would be easy, otherwise it would be difficult. So always try to understand the concepts and then you can learn it. Otherwise it would be very difficult. If you by heart it would be very difficult. So don't by heart the terms, just understand it. So that's all. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I welcome you to my Telegram group and Telegram channel to discuss your doubts. I'll be providing the links of my Telegram group and Telegram channel in the description box. You can use the same. You can come to the Telegram group or Telegram channel or both of these. There are many people who are discussing right now. So these people have been discussing their doubts, and they have been able to clarify the doubts. So it would be beneficial for you if you join these. That's why I am welcoming you to my Telegram group as well as Telegram channel. So please do come. That's all. You can benefit out of this. Both of these, I mean both my Telegram group as well as Telegram channel are awaiting you. Please come. It's awaiting you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with a new topic very soon. Thank you.